Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of functional slim wooden decor, exploring how it can elevate your space while enhancing your profit margins. If you enjoy our content and find it valuable, please hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. Be sure to stay tuned until the end, as we'll be sharing exclusive tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Slim wooden decor. The rise of minimalism and functional design has led to an increased interest in slim wooden decor. This style emphasizes simplicity, elegance, and practicality, making it a popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces. Slim wooden furniture not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a room, but also offers functional advantages, making it a smart investment for homeowners and business owners alike. The aesthetic appeal of slim wooden decor. Slim wooden furniture is characterized by clean lines and a lightweight appearance. This design approach creates a sense of openness in a room, making it feel larger and more inviting. The natural warmth of wood adds a touch of sophistication, allowing these pieces to blend seamlessly with various interior styles, from modern to rustic. Space optimization. One of the most significant advantages of slim wooden decor is its ability to maximize space. In urban environments where square footage is often limited, slim furniture can fit into tight corners and small rooms without overwhelming the space. This functionality makes it ideal for apartments, small homes, and offices. Versatility in design. Slim wooden furniture comes in various forms, including tables, chairs, shelves, and storage units. This versatility allows homeowners and businesses to curate a cohesive look throughout their spaces. Additionally, many pieces can serve multiple purposes, such as a slim desk that doubles as a dining table, further enhancing their utility. Eco-friendly aspects. Wood is a renewable resource, particularly when sourced from sustainable forests. Choosing slim wooden decor not only supports eco-friendly practices, but also appeals to environmentally conscious consumers. Highlighting these aspects in marketing can attract a broader customer base and enhance profit margins. Marketing strategies. To enhance profit margins, effective marketing strategies are essential. Highlighting the functional benefits of slim wooden decor, such as space-saving capabilities and versatility, can attract potential buyers. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase beautiful images of these pieces in various settings can also drive interest and sales. Customization opportunities. Slim wooden decor can often be customized to fit specific needs and preferences. This flexibility allows businesses to cater to individual customer requirements, whether it's a specific size, finish, or design element. Customization can lead to higher profit margins as consumers are often willing to pay a premium for tailored solutions. Marketing strategies. To enhance profit margins, effective marketing strategies are essential. Highlighting the functional benefits of slim wooden decor, such as space-saving capabilities and versatility, can attract potential buyers. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase beautiful images of these pieces in various settings can also drive interest and sales. Targeting the right audience. Identifying and targeting the right audience is crucial for maximizing profits. Young professionals, urban dwellers, and minimalist enthusiasts are likely to appreciate the aesthetic and functional benefits of slim wooden furniture. Tailoring marketing efforts to these demographics can result in higher conversion rates. Pricing strategies. Setting competitive yet profitable pricing is vital. Conducting market research to understand what similar products are priced at can help in establishing a pricing strategy that balances affordability with profit margins. Offering tiered pricing for different customization options can also attract a wider range of customers. Online sales platforms. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for reaching a broader audience. E-commerce platforms can showcase slim wooden decor effectively, allowing potential customers to visualize how these pieces might fit into their spaces. Providing detailed descriptions and high-quality images can significantly enhance the shopping experience. Customer feedback and engagement. Engaging with customers and seeking feedback can provide valuable insights into preferences and trends. Positive reviews can serve as powerful marketing tools, while constructive criticism can offer opportunities for improvement. Building a loyal customer base can lead to repeat business and referrals. Collaborations and partnerships, partnering with interior designers, real estate agents, or home decor influencers can help increase visibility and credibility. Collaborations can introduce slim wooden decor to new audiences and create unique marketing opportunities that enhance brand recognition and profits. In summary, functional slim wooden decor not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of spaces, but also provides significant opportunities for profit generation. By understanding the benefits, marketing effectively, and engaging with customers, businesses can leverage this growing trend to maximize their profit margins while offering value to consumers. As the demand for minimalist and functional design continues to rise, investing in slim wooden furniture presents a promising avenue for success. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your engagement helps us create more content that you love, and we can't wait to share more with you.